Alright, so we're going to do a lap around Locomotive Mountain Peewee track. This will be looking from the finish line. So the registration or finish line will be about here. This will be the start of a fresh lap. This is not where the starting line will be. Some of the stuff like this right here, these stumps will be all painted orange. Nice little turn into a small hill. And road on, so the grass will be broke down. We're gonna try to get this video out early for everybody. We're gonna come around like this. Take a dive back in the woods here. Tighter, a little more technical for them. Nice, there'll be a few lines in here, I'm sure. Well, I'll probably have to go around the outside of that. Back up this little hill right here. if you have problems with your kids on downhills, you'll want to stand in here. It's nothing crazy. So we added just a longer trail. It used to go straight down. Now we added this little loop, and it brings the downhill up a bunch more. Like this is nothing. I'm using just a barely little bit of front brake, and I'm almost stopped on it. We'll come down here. Another little hill, which is all wide open, snow fence all the way down it. And again, I'm using just a little bit of front brake, and I'm stopped on this. Back into the woods. This quarry will be right here. So there's a full lap. The only problem is right there at the end of that little hill if you got a problem with doing downhill. So there's going to be workers, and we made it so it's not as steep of a grade. So it should be good. They should have fun.